You dancing? Good morning, guys. Hope you're all okay. Happy Monday. Bank holiday. Whoop whoop. No plans really. Hopefully we're getting quite heavy showers, but I'd like to take Ruben to the park at some point today. But yeah, no real plans. We had a pyjama dance party earlier. Ruben rocking out to Oasis and Kaiser Chiefs. Yeah. It's going to be a chilled one, hopefully. There's so much chocolate in this house, it is ridiculous. But yeah, we've had our breakfast. More yummy Polish food because we had so much left over from yesterday. And yeah, just because of the rain at the moment, it's going to be cartoons and a bit of tidying up. Lion King, old school Lion King, like from my childhood, was on TV yesterday and we Sky Plused it. So hopefully at some point today, Ruben will be prepared to watch it. It'll be the longest thing he's ever watched. Or he might go to sleep and Mummy can watch it. One or the other. I look so glamorous right now. One of those days that has been super productive, but a bit boring. Ruben slept for like 2.5 hour nap this morning, which is like unheard of. So John put together a new shelving unit that we ordered like a month ago. So John put that together. We've rearranged the bedroom, our bedroom, had lunch, and now I'm taking Ruben to the park and hope it doesn't rain. Yes, splashing, Mama. Come on, let's get to the park.
Put the boosters on the truck on the side, because then it can go.
Is that good?
Fast, if it's really urgent.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to tell you that you feel like that. If you just make a difference,
There! 6! 4!
We have a new record on the stick collecting. I don't quite think we need one that large, Ruben. Okay, new stick. Buy stick. Hello, so we got back from the park. We sorted ourselves out a house stroke dog sitter for next weekend. That's all sorted. We did a video call with our friend who lives in Poland, who's Ruben's godfather. And now the oven is preheating, ready for lamb. And it's tea time, and everybody is having the same for once, which doesn't happen that often. So the lamb shanks that have been cooked in the oven with a mint gravy. Ruben's had some that's just been stripped off. Mashed potato, mange tout, sweet corn. Everybody's got the same meal. Ruben is in bed. I've done his packed lunch for the childminder for the morning. Packed his little bag. Had him all to myself for almost 2.5 weeks. But yeah, it's off to the childminder tomorrow because I'm working. Yeah, I'm gonna watch some telly and eat some Easter eggs. And that's bedtime. He had a nice Easter.
Well, it's been alright.
I've had like almost 3 weeks off work and I've got to go back.
I haven't. I've had 4 days.
But it's been good. I think Ruben's had a lovely time.
It's been good, hasn't it?
But yeah, time for bed.